Hey, it's Joel, and welcome back to the Joel Homie Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. This is day 3, and unfortunately today there isn't time for all the video magic stuff because I have to get dressed really fast and go help my grandfather pack up the trailer, because today we are starting to head out to somewhere near Salt Lake City, I'm told. Anyway, let's get to the trailer and start packing up. Today begins with yet again another sausage McGriddle. Right then, the trailer's packed up and it's time to hit the road. Well then, we are still in Utah as of the moment. But either way, we are going to head into a gas station and maybe get something to eat and a drink because we've now driven probably a good 200 miles at this point. We don't have very far to go, so this will most likely be the only stop that we make until we actually arrive to where we are going to be spending the next night. And then tomorrow, we are once again packing up again to go to another location. Either way, let's head inside and get something to eat. So I ended up getting a couple things that probably aren't so good for me, but either way, I'm heading back out to the truck now, and as far as I know, we're just getting back onto the road to where we are going to be staying tonight. So I'll see you guys then. So we have just arrived at Rollin RV Park, and as I just sort of learned by not paying attention, we are still in Utah and we're never planning on leaving today. So there's something I learned. But either way, I'm headed into the trailer to turn on a little receiver box that goes to my grandfather's phone that will tell us if the trailer is level front to rear and side to side, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and once again set up the tripod, and we'll go ahead and set up the trailer. So we got the trailer all set up now, and as far as I know, today is basically just a sit down and chill day. We might drive around and go see if we can find any stores, maybe a supermarket or something like that. But other than that, I don't think we're doing much of anything for the rest of today now that we're set up. So it's finally cooled off outside, but earlier today it was very, very warm. So we had decided that it was too hot to cook, so we ended up getting some Burger King. And they have some pretty cool sort of retro-ish logos printed onto the cups. For those of you that don't know, this is, I believe, the original Burger King logo. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and have my meal out here because it's very, very cool and, in my opinion, absolutely is very nice outside. So I will get to you guys, well, maybe when I do anything else interesting today. Right then, so with that, there is day 4 of the Joel Homie Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. So much like today, tomorrow is going to be another case of sadly no sort of video editing magic in the morning because I have to wake up really early tomorrow with my grandfather, pack up the trailer, and we're going to be heading out yet again to another location, only except unlike this time, we're actually going to be staying quite a couple nights at the next place that we are going to be. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,
go.